little ride. And over there we own all that too. It's another 35 acres over there. 95 acres here on the main track, and the second track over there is 35 acres. Cut hay on. We got 50 acres. Back here to move the camera back out here. There's a house back over there. A little windy. Up on the hills. We own 50 acres back in the woods back there. It's a very good testing ground for any type of products that might want to test. And this is probably the flattest part of it. Here, back in the woods, it's 30, 40, 60 degree inclines. You know, 30 and 40 being at least 60. A lot of it. So, if y'all need anything tested or anything reviewed, this is like the ultimate playground to do it in. Just wanted to make a little short video showing you what we got for review areas. I mean, we'll pretty much review anything farm related, micro farm related, agricultural, wildlife management. We do a lot of wildlife management over here. I got some food plots back down in there, back down in that area. This is a great area to do some reviews. A lot of timber. We've had it was timbered about 15 years ago. There's the RTV back down that little hollow down in there. You can't see the line down there. It drops off pretty steep down there. Pulling trees out of the bottom down there to get them up into the field, but we get it with the tractor. So we do a lot of hunting, do a lot of fishing out here. This place is overrun with deer. Most of the time of day you see 10 or 12 of them in these fields. Turkeys. About 6 turkeys running around here this morning. Right up on top of this hill. And down at the bottom. But yeah, that's pretty much it. A little piece of heaven here. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Appreciate it in advance. And I'll see you in the next video.